miss this stunning 2018 Embraer Phenom 100 EV with increased thrust and improved hot and high performance. Serial number 397 is presented exclusively by SOLJETS. The fully loaded Garmin Prodigy Touch G3000 avionics package features TCAS 1, TAWS Class A, HF with CellCal, synthetic vision, CPDLC, and much more. This Phenom 100 EV features an executive interior for 6 passengers, including a 5th seat and belted lavatory. It comes complete with in-flight entertainment as well as in-flight phone and data link systems. This aircraft is a showstopper with an Embraer brand paint scheme featuring an overall pure white base and navy, dark gray, and silver detailing. The Phenom 100 EV jet has a state-of-the-art G3000 Prodigy flight deck, the largest cabin in its class, and offers a superior flight experience. SOLJETS. Freedom, adventure, delivered.